What's your first name?
Arun,
What's your second name?
Malik,
What's your location?
Mumbai,
What's your height?
5 feet 10 inches.
Please show us your left profile. Please show us your right profile. Please tell us your fitness story.
Well, it was about 10 years back when I had gained about 16 to 17 kgs of weight. I had become very lethargic and very lazy. I had started to drink excessively, and my reactions were very adverse. It affected my personal life. I was all the time either very anxious or at times really depressed. But then I decided that I needed to change all this, and the first thing I did was to go on a very good, healthy diet, reduce my carbohydrate intake, and go on to what is called a keto diet plan. And I did it only for a few months, and it helped me shed off a lot of weight. And I continued the healthy diet pattern, even though I eat carbohydrates now, but I have started eating in a very healthy fashion. And drinking is also not anymore a problem because it's the way it used to be, healthy, normal, not very obsessive. And the best part is that my golf game, which had gone down drastically during this phase, has improved. I'm more interested to go and play. And any opportunity I get to go and walk or jog or even go for a swim, I've revived all those interests. And in my professional life also, I have taken up new challenges, new ventures. I am keenly alive, if you understand what I mean. I am not letting life pass by. I am taking up the challenges, I am trying new things, and I am doing things which really interest me. So, my study groups, my theatre, my passion for writing, all those interests have come back with full energy. And if we are physically fit, that leads to a mental equilibrium, and that in turn leads you to a healthier life. And even in your personal relations, things become calmer, and you're able to get rid of issues which you had and get rid of issues which were unsolvable. So, decision taking has improved, and you start making and taking good choices, lifestyle choices, and somehow this is the way life is. It's always full of so many issues, but it's our reactions which make them worse. We are faced with many crises, but if we are healthy and if we are able to look at things in a more relaxed, in a more healthy way, then somehow we are able to get hold of our own reactions, which at times are the biggest problem. It's life within this head which affects most of us. It's not just the outside world, it's how we perceive life and how we react to it which matters. And we cannot just let it go. We have to take charge, and we have to become healthy first ourselves before we can change anything outside. So that's the realization, these 52 years, 53 years of life, where now I can say that I've started living again. And thank God that I played sports as a kid, and I continued to do that in my late teens. And now this active lifestyle, and especially sports like golf or going for a walk, that's all what we need, just that much balance. So that's my message for everyone, that depression, anxiety, all these are issues which we make worse if we are not living a healthy lifestyle. Thank you.